Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the symptoms of a bad valve seal. Let's quickly discuss the function of the engine valve seal. The primary function of valve seals is to seal the gap between the valve stem and the valve guide in the cylinder head. This prevents oil from the engine's lubrication system from leaking past the valve stems and into the combustion chamber or exhaust system. These seals help regulate the flow of oil within the engine. The engine valve seals are located within the cylinder head assembly of an internal combustion engine. Specifically, they are positioned at the top of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. Each valve seal fits snugly around the valve stem. Bad valve seal symptoms. 1. Excessive oil consumption. One of the most noticeable signs of bad valve seals is increased oil consumption. If you find yourself needing to add oil more frequently than usual, or notice blue smoke coming from the exhaust, it could indicate that oil is leaking past the valve seals and into the combustion chamber. 2. Blue smoke from the exhaust. Oil that leaks past worn valve seals enters the combustion chamber, where it is burned along with the air and fuel mixture. During combustion, the oil produces blue or bluish-gray smoke, which is then expelled through the exhaust system. This smoke is a clear indication of oil burning in the engine, typically seen during acceleration or deceleration. 3. Rough idle. When oil leaks past the valve seals and enters the combustion chamber, it affects the air-fuel mixture's composition. This leads to uneven combustion and engine misfires, especially at idle when the engine is running at lower speeds. As a result, the engine may exhibit a rough or erratic idle. 4. Decreased engine performance. Oil leaking past the valve seals contaminates the air-fuel mixture, resulting in inefficient combustion. This leads to reduced engine performance, as the combustion process is not as effective in producing power. 5. Fouled spark plugs. Oil leaking past the valve seals can coat the spark plugs with oil deposits. These deposits can interfere with the spark plug's ability to generate a spark, leading to misfires and rough engine operation. See engine smoking on startup. Worn valve seals can cause oil to seep past them and accumulate in the cylinders while the engine is off. When you start the engine, this pooled oil burns off, resulting in a puff of smoke from the exhaust. This symptom is particularly noticeable after the vehicle has been sitting for an extended period. 7. Engine misfires. Oil leaking into the combustion chamber can cause fouling of the spark plugs, leading to inconsistent spark and combustion. This can result in engine misfires, where one or more cylinders fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly. 8. Failed emission test. When oil leaks past the valve seals and burns in the combustion chamber, it produces harmful emissions such as hydrocarbons and particulate matter. This can lead to an increase in exhaust emissions, potentially causing the vehicle to fail emissions tests. 9. Reduced fuel efficiency. Oil leaking past the valve seals can affect the engine's overall efficiency by altering the air-fuel mixture and combustion process. This can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, as the engine may require more fuel to compensate for the compromised combustion efficiency. A noticeable decrease in miles per gallon may indicate valve seal issues. 10. Engine overheating. Oil leaking past the valve seals can contaminate the engine's coolant, reducing its effectiveness in dissipating heat. Additionally, if oil leaks onto hot engine components, It can cause increased friction and heat buildup, contributing to engine overheating. So, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your valve seals inspected and replaced if necessary. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious engine problems down the road. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly.